Here we are at PCH, February 2nd, 25. So I want to see how far the PCH being blocked. I'm showing you this is a Malibu pier. This is not the sand as that big Santa Monica pier. This is like in the middle. There's a Jack in the Box, a fast food across the street. A lot of tours go there to buy drinks and use the restroom. This is Malibu Beach Inn. So here it's no booths around here somewhere. Here's still fine. Oh, this V restaurant is still good. So we're trying to see where it will close. See, oh, PCH closed at Coastline Drive. Coastline Drive, and this is Nobu. So Nobu is okay. Nobu and Nobu Hotel. So Nobu Hotel, it's okay. And over here, speed limit. Huh?
It's blocked right there. That's where it's blocked, so I'm gonna turn around.
I think there's where it blocked. So after Nobu, it's blocked. Let me zoom in. So see, I think there's a checkpoint there. So today's, I think the last day of the close. They were supposed to open today. That's why we come today. And then it turns out it will be open tomorrow. So this is where I'm PCH. And we just passed Nobu. So right here you can see a lot of these cones. It's 25 miles. I'm just gonna turn here and let you see so that side's blocked. That's where the fire is.